1923 to 1933, a time of triumph and tragedy. As the 20s roared on, Bingham Canyon set the standard for modernization. Froth flotation replaced gravity separation at the mills, and steam gave way to electric power, starting with the landmark decision to introduce electric shovels. This was a mining first that saved 10 cents a ton and countless hours of repairs. Then, electric locomotives replaced steam engines altogether, dramatically improving productivity. And as the mines were transformed, so was the town. Replacing Bingham's 5-mile-long wooden sidewalks with modern materials. But it was also a decade of challenges. The Great Depression forced operations to pause. A landslide at the mine claimed 39 lives. And a fire at Highland Boy made 300 people homeless. Yet through it all, the community showed it could rally together. The Utah Copper Company funded recovery efforts. Its firemen worked tirelessly alongside the brave fire department, and local churches made sure no one went without food and support. 1923 to 1933, 10 years that proved Utah's spirit, in good times and bad.